Hey Tigers! Today I'll be showing you how to upload your TigerOne photo and complete the setup process for your TigerOne Mobile ID on your Android device. Let's get started. First, head to the TigerOne online office site and select Credentials, then select Mobile. Here you'll choose your mobile device type and upload a photo of yourself for your mobile ID. Please review the following suggestions before submitting your photo. Please make sure that your device has NFC and that it is turned on. The use of TigerOne Mobile ID for Android requires NFC. Next, on your device, open the Play Store. Search for the Seaboard Get Mobile app and download it. It should look like this. Once it's installed, open the Get app. You will need to keep the Get app installed. If you delete the app, your ID will be removed as well. Now, select Search All Institutions. Scroll through the list of schools and select Clemson University. Log in using your Clemson credentials and then complete the Duo authentication. Now, you will need to create a PIN for security purposes. Choose something you'll remember. Next, tap Add ID to Phone button. Press Agree to Terms and Conditions. The app will first display the mobile ID added, not ready, then mobile ID enabled. The ID will now be provisioned to your device. Don't forget that you must keep the Get app on your device.